What's going on, guys? Ethan here. This is my 2019 Accord Touring with a 2.0 turbo. I'm going to show you guys the exhaust with the stock motor. It is straight piped. And just my opinions about the vehicle. And yeah, come follow me. Now, things done to this, aesthetically, I got the Yofer diffuser version 2 here. These are just tinted taillights. They're the touring ones, so they got the upgraded LED all through there on both sides. Plate bracket there. Tint is 15% in the back and 35% in the front. These are the touring wheels, 19 inches. We got the blackout grill kit and 2 slow plate. It's pretty much it. If I had to recommend this car, totally would. Thing really goes good. You get heated ventilated seats in here. This is the interior, all leather, sunroof and all, and of course can't forget about the subs. Shout out to Michael. Let me know what you guys think of the Accord. Shout out to Matt the barber for the haircut, and I'll see you guys in the next one.